you can't code, or your code not really good, just like me, but you still wanna make a Chrome extension? I'm sure that ChatGPT can help us. Let's take a look. I wanna code a Chrome extension that can translate websites for me. As you know and as you hear, clearly, my English is not the best. My native language is German, and I live in Italy. What a weird situation. So I need to translate a lot. And let's see if ChatGPT can help me make a Chrome extension for my lousy language skills. Let's just make a simple question. How can I make a Chrome extension that can translate websites in other languages? And here we have a guideline. Go to Google Cloud Platform website and create a new project. Enable the Google Translate API for your project. Create credentials and the API key, create a new and so on. Create a context script that will run on the pages. This script should use the Google Translate API to translate the page's text. To be honest, I don't really like the Google Translator, but maybe you can use DeepL or something. It's possible that you have to pay for DeepL, I don't know that. But even the Microsoft translation is better. I'm sure you can use that. Test your extension by loading it. But I need more specific plans. Give me an example of all the code that I need. Tell me exactly where I have to copy and paste the code. Give me a full instruction. And here we go. Now it's easy. Here is the example. The first thing didn't change. First, you will need to create a new project. I think everybody can do this. Second, create credentials for your project, such as an API key. Okay. Create a new directory for your extension and create a manifest.json file in it with the following code. So just create this and copy the code in it. This manifest file specifies that the extension needs permissions to access the active tab and the Google Translate API. In the same directory, create a file named comment.js and paste the following code. You can here copy the code and then just paste it. The script uses the Fetch API to send the request to Google Translate API with the text of the current page and the target language, and the replace of the and so on. Replace, put your API key here with your actual API key, content.js. To load the extension in Chrome, open the Chrome/extension/page, enable developer mode and load the extension from the directory where you created the manifest.json file. Finally, visit the website in a foreign language to see the extension in action. Note that this is a basic example and so on. That was easy. Everybody can create their own extensions in Chrome. You just need to ask the bot. He will provide you the code, he will tell you exactly what you have to do. All you have to do is to follow the instructions of the bot. And if you don't know what to do or what's next, just ask, just dig deeper, just ask for examples. You can do this. And you can change this how you want. Let's just ask, don't I need a HTML? No, a Chrome extension does not require a HTML file. The extension consists of a manifest file and so on. In this example, the manifest.json file is used to specify that the context and the script. However, if you want to add a UI or a pop-up window to your extension, you can create an HTML file and reference it in your manifest file. Let's just make an assumption. Give me again all the code that I need, include a HTML. In the HTML there should be a green background and a button translate now. And now we get even that. You can be specific, you can create whatever you want. ChatGPT will provide you the code, and he is fast, and he knows what you say, even if your English is as lousy as mine. You can just ask, misspell everything, and he knows what you need. And as you can see, here is the HTML, and he says in the same directory create a file named popup.html and paste the following code. And as you can see, he is busy writing our code. And now it's done, and we have everything together. Every newbie can create a Chrome extension with ChatGPT. It's really that easy. Just follow the instructions of the bot. Just like I said, start broad and then get more specific, and then just follow the instructions of the bot. And if you don't know what to do next, just ask the bot again. Dig deeper, use the bot as a guideline. Use ChatGPT to guide you through the ocean. He will do a good job, believe me on that. As soon as you get how to ask your questions, you will create everything with ChatGPT, and the questions are normally really easy. You have just to ask for examples. Sometimes the bot will not bring you code, because he say he's a language model and doesn't code, and then you simply ask him for an example of code, and boom, there you have it. Now you can program. Do it.